Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of smart soldering stations. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, having the right soldering station can make all the difference. Let's explore the top 5 best smart soldering stations on the market, highlighting their features, pros, and cons so you can pick the perfect tool for your needs. Number 5 on our list is the Gvda GD318 Smart Soldering Station. The Gvda GD318 Smart Soldering Station is a versatile and efficient tool designed for hobbyists and professionals who demand precision and convenience in their soldering tasks. With its Nixie tube display, PID-controlled temperature calibration, and ergonomically designed handle, the GD318 promises an enhanced soldering experience. Whether you're working on electronics, repairs, or DIY projects, this soldering station is packed with features aimed at improving usability and performance. However, as with any product, it's important to weigh the pros and cons. Pros: Nixie tube display for visual appeal. One of the standout features of the Gvda GD318 is its Nixie tube display, which adds a retro aesthetic touch to the soldering station. This feature not only gives the tool a unique look, but also makes it easy to read temperature settings, ensuring better control and visibility during work. PID temperature control for precision. The PID system offers precise temperature control, ensuring that the soldering iron heats up quickly and maintains a stable temperature throughout your project. This feature is essential for achieving clean, consistent solder joints, particularly for delicate or sensitive components. The ergonomic handle design. The ergonomically designed handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. This feature is especially helpful when working on intricate tasks that require precision, allowing you to work for longer periods without discomfort. Cons: limited customization for advanced users. While the PID-controlled temperature system provides excellent precision, some advanced users might find the station lacking in more customizable settings. Those who need additional fine-tuning options or specialized features for specific soldering techniques may feel that this model doesn't offer as much flexibility as higher-end soldering stations. The Gvda GD318 Smart Soldering Station offers a compelling mix of modern technology and aesthetic design, making it a solid choice for both amateur and professional soldering enthusiasts. With its Nixie tube display, PID temperature control, and ergonomically designed handle, it's a great tool for users looking for precision, comfort, and safety during their soldering tasks. Number 4 is the Yihua 982 Smart Soldering Station. The Yihua 982 Smart Soldering Station is a versatile and advanced tool designed for electronics enthusiasts, professionals, and hobbyists who need precision and accuracy in their soldering tasks. With features such as DEC/DEF display mode, intelligent temperature correction, and memory channels, the Yihua 982 aims to provide a seamless soldering experience. However, like any product, it has both strengths and weaknesses. In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of the Yihua 982 Smart Soldering Station to help you make an informed decision. Pros: accurate temperature control. One of the standout features of the Yihua 982 Smart Soldering Station is its intelligent temperature correction. This system ensures that the temperature is constantly monitored and corrected for accuracy, making the station ideal for soldering delicate components where precision is crucial. The auto-cooling function helps maintain the ideal temperature by automatically lowering the heat if it exceeds 200 degc, providing better control during longer soldering tasks. Flexible temperature display. The station supports both DGC and DGF display modes, offering flexibility for users accustomed to different temperature measurement systems. Whether you're working in a region that uses Celsius or Fahrenheit, you can easily adjust the settings to suit your preferences, making the soldering experience more intuitive. Memory channels. The Yihua 982 features memory channels that allow users to save and recall temperature settings for different types of soldering jobs. With Chon/Chu and CH3/CH4 memory slots, you can easily switch between preset temperatures for various tasks, making the station more efficient and tailored to specific needs. This is especially useful for those who regularly work with different components and require quick access to different temperature profiles. Buzzer prompt for notifications. The buzzer prompt feature adds an extra layer of convenience by notifying users when the temperature has reached the desired setting. This audible alert ensures that you are always aware of when the station is ready to use, preventing you from waiting too long or overheating the tip. Cons: limited power for heavy-duty soldering. While the Yihua 982 smart soldering station is highly effective for standard soldering tasks, it may not be suitable for more heavy-duty applications that require higher wattage or more intense heat. For users who frequently work with large or high-temperature components, the soldering station's power may fall short, making it less ideal for industrial or advanced electronics work. The Yihua 982 smart soldering station is an excellent tool for hobbyists and professionals who prioritize precision, accuracy, and advanced features in their soldering work. With its intelligent temperature correction, memory channels, and safety features, it offers an enhanced soldering experience that helps maintain optimal temperature control for various tasks. The addition of buzzer prompts and temperature identification makes it user-friendly, even for those who work on more delicate components. Coming in at number 3 is the Sugon A9 Smart Soldering Station. The Sugon A9 Smart Soldering Station is an advanced tool designed for both hobbyists and professionals who require precision and reliability in their soldering tasks. Featuring PID temperature control, short circuit protection, sleep mode, and a temperature compensation function, the A9 promises to deliver superior performance while ensuring safety and efficiency during use. Let's explore the pros and cons of this smart soldering station. Pros. PID temperature control for precision. The PID temperature control system ensures accurate and stable temperature regulation. This feature is essential for achieving consistent soldering results, especially when working on delicate or intricate components. It minimizes fluctuations, providing a more reliable and effective soldering experience. Original short circuit protection. The short circuit protection function is a standout safety feature of the Sugon A9. It helps protect both the user and the device by preventing damage caused by electrical faults. This additional layer of safety ensures that your soldering tasks can be performed with confidence and reduces the risk of accidents or device malfunctions. Multiple temperature standby temperatures. The station offers 4 different standby temperature settings, allowing users to select the most suitable temperature when the device is not in use. This flexibility is ideal for those who may need to switch between various projects, ensuring that the soldering iron is always ready to go when needed. Sleep mode for energy efficiency. The sleep mode feature reduces unnecessary wear on the soldering tip by lowering the temperature to 150 degC when the device is idle for 199 minutes. This function not only saves energy, but also prolongs the life of the soldering iron tip by reducing excessive heat exposure when the tool is not in use. Once you resume work, the unit quote-unquote resets. This function has been proven. Temperature compensation function. The temperature compensation function automatically adjusts the soldering iron's tip temperature during the welding process, ensuring that the temperature remains consistent and accurate throughout your project. This feature is especially valuable when working with components that require stable temperature to avoid damage or faulty connections. Cons. Size and portability. The Sugon A9 may not be as compact as some other soldering stations on the market. It could take up more space on the workbench and may not be as portable for users who require a more compact setup for mobile or on-the-go soldering tasks. The Sugon A9 Smart Soldering Station offers excellent features like PID temperature control, short circuit protection, and temperature compensation, making it a great option for both beginners and experienced users. It excels in safety and energy efficiency, with sleep mode and the original short circuit protection, while also ensuring precise and reliable performance. Number 2 is the GVM H3 Smart Soldering Station. The GVM-H3 Smart Soldering Station is a high-tech soldering tool designed to offer superior performance, efficiency, and convenience. It features rapid heating, intelligent temperature control, and automatic tool identification, making it an ideal choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of the GVM-H3 Smart Soldering Station to help you determine if it's the right fit for your needs. Pros: 2-second rapid heating. One of the most impressive features of the GVM-H3 Smart Soldering Station is its 2-second rapid heating. This feature ensures that the soldering iron is ready for use almost immediately, allowing users to save valuable time during projects. Whether you're doing delicate electronics work or performing repairs, the fast heat-up time boosts overall maintenance efficiency, helping you stay productive. Automatic identification of welding tools. The GVM-H3 automatically identifies the type of welding tool you're using, whether it's the Tone 115, T210, or T245 handles. This increased compatibility allows you to use a variety of soldering tips and ensures that the temperature is correctly adjusted for the selected tool. This feature adds convenience and versatility, especially for professionals who work with multiple tips for different applications. 3-in-1 Smart Functionality. The 3-in-1 smart functionality of the GVM-H3 makes it an all-in-one soldering station. The unit supports rapid heating, temperature storage, and quick switching between channels, offering users a comprehensive set of features for soldering tasks. The ability to quickly switch between preset temperatures for different tasks can save time and improve overall workflow. Cons: size and portability. While the GVM-H3 Smart Soldering Station is packed with features, it may not be as compact or portable as other soldering stations. Its multiple channels, tool identification, and other advanced functions make it bulkier, which could be a drawback for users who need a portable solution for on-the-go soldering or small workspaces. The GVM-H3 Smart Soldering Station is an advanced and feature-rich tool ideal for professional users and electronics enthusiasts who require precision and efficiency. With features like 2-second rapid heating, automatic tool identification, temperature storage, and induction sleep mode, the GVM-H3 enhances the soldering process, making it faster and more efficient. And finally, our number one pick is the Aixun T320 Smart Soldering Station. The Aixun T320 Smart Soldering Station is a cutting-edge tool designed for professionals and hobbyists alike, offering a range of innovative features that promise to elevate the soldering experience. As the first smart soldering station combining integration, intelligence, and network capabilities, the T320 aims to provide superior performance, compatibility, and ease of use. This video is a breakdown of the key features, along with the pros and cons of the Aixun T320. Pros: high compatibility and versatility. The Aixun T320 supports both T210 and T245 soldering handles, providing great compatibility with various soldering tips and allowing users to select the most appropriate handle for their projects. This versatility ensures that the T320 can cater to different soldering tasks, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced technicians. Smart Soldering Assistance System. The T320 features an intelligent monitoring system that tracks the status of the soldering tip in real time. This system includes high temperature protection, short-circuit protection, and standby functions, all designed to prolong the life of the soldering tips. By preventing damage from overheating and ensuring safe operation, this feature offers users peace of mind and ensures a longer lifespan for the station's components. Innovative Soldering Tip Touch Control. A standout feature of the Aixun T320 is its soldering tip touch control technology. Unlike traditional wire-controlled stations, users can control the soldering tip with a simple touch, making it more intuitive and convenient to adjust settings. This modern approach enhances usability and provides a smoother experience compared to conventional soldering stations. Cons: limited information on long-term durability. Although the T320 boasts various protective features, such as high temperature protection and short-circuit protection, there is limited information regarding the long-term durability of this station, especially with extended use. Some users may wonder how the station holds up over time with consistent heavy-duty use. The Aixun T320 smart soldering station stands out in the market due to its integration of smart technology, high power output, and user-friendly features like touch control and a dynamic HD display. It offers excellent compatibility, a long-lasting soldering tip, and advanced protections, making it a top choice for professionals seeking precision, reliability, and innovation.